obviously I'm not in the correct gear to be cutting wood with the blade on, so I'm going to take this blade off here before I get into the water, so that way I don't cut myself when I'm in the water. But I really don't care if I ruin the chainsaw because it's a MS-170. Not doing wood anymore. I just sold my log splitter. Really have no need to be cutting wood. So, I mean, I have two of these exact same saws. So if this one gets ruined today, which I think I'm going to try to hold it under for around 5 seconds. I think it's going to be okay with the gas revved up, but we'll see. As you can see, I'm in the water right now. You cannot see my feet, but they're about 6 inches in the muck, and it's kind of nasty. But fortunately, I wore the water shoes that do pretty well, so I don't have to get my feet. I'm just afraid I'm going to lose one every time I take a step. And my chainsaw is right here, and then I got this other camera. I have this strap around my GoPro, which I'm filming on right now, and I'm going to put it on my head so I'll get 2 angles of the chainsaw going underwater. And there's the chainsaw without the blade. There's the blade up there. So I think this will work pretty good. My prediction is it's not going to die, but you never know. When it goes into the water, that's not good on an engine and the carburetor.